Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Health Savvy, where we talk real health for real life. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on honest, practical health conversation every week. Today's topic is something many people carry silently: how to rebuild intimacy after trauma. Whether the trauma is from past abuse, betrayal, or even medical experiences, it can deeply affect how we connect with others emotionally, physically, and spiritually. So if you have ever felt scared to get close again, or if you are trying to support someone on their healing journey, this video is for you. Let's talk honestly, gently, and without judgment. So, first thing first, what do we mean by trauma? Trauma can be anything that overwhelms your ability to cope, especially when it involves a sense of violation or loss of control. For some, this might be sexual abuse, assault, domestic violence, or childhood trauma. For others, it might come from betrayal, a toxic relationship, or even witnessing trauma secondhand. Now, here's something that is not often talked about. Trauma does not just hurt your past. It reshapes your nervous system, your trust, your boundaries, and how you respond to affection, touch, and closeness. Some people might feel numb. Others might feel hypersensitive. Some avoid intimacy completely. And all of that is okay. You are not broken. You are healing. Let me just pause and say this. If this is your story, you are not alone. Many people struggle in silence because they think their reaction to intimacy is weird, or they are the only one who's afraid of being touched or getting close. But trauma responses are deeply human. Your brain is trying to protect you, so give yourself grace. This is not about rushing into physical closeness. This is about learning to feel safe again. And healing doesn't look the same for everyone. Some people need therapy, some need space, and some need gentle relationships that make room for the healing to happen slowly. So, how to rebuild intimacy after trauma? Here are some practical steps that help. First, start with yourself. Healing starts with rebuilding your relationship with yourself. That means practicing self-compassion, learning to sit with uncomfortable feelings without judgment, journaling about your emotion and triggers, reconnecting with your body through things that you like yoga, or like just breathing mindfully. You deserve to feel at home in your own skin again. Number 2, therapy helps. A trauma-informed therapist can help you safely unpack what happened and how it still affects you. Somatic therapy and cognitive behavior therapy are all powerful tools. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it is brave. Number 3, open communication and relationship. If you are in a relationship or thinking about entering one, communication is key. I want you to try saying this. Sometimes intimacy is hard for me because of my past. I want to be close, but I might need to move slowly. Because let me tell you, if someone loves and respects you, they won't rush you. They will honor your pace. You set the pace, and that is not just okay, it is essential. Number 4, redefine what intimacy means. Intimacy is not just about sex. It can be holding hands, laughing together, making eye contact, feeling emotionally safe, sitting in silence with someone who makes you feel seen. Start where you feel most comfortable and build from there. If you are watching this because someone you love has been through trauma, thank you for showing up for them. Here are some ways you can support. Ask, don't assume. Let them tell you what they are ready for. Be patient. Be present. Sometimes just sitting beside them quietly can say more than words. Learn together. Read, research, or even go to therapy with them if they want your support. Never take personally if they pull away. It's not about you. It's about the echoes of pain they are still working through. And let me tell you, healing is possible. Intimacy after trauma may look different, but it can be even more meaningful, rooted in deep understanding, care, and true emotional connection. You are not too damaged to be loved. You are not too broken to be whole. And you don't need to rush. Healing takes time, and that time is worth it. Whether you are healing from trauma or supporting someone who is, keep choosing grace, compassion, and truth. Because everyday health includes our emotional and relational health too. And at Everyday Health Savvy, we believe in healing from the inside out. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need to hear it. Drop a comment below. What is something that helped you in your healing journey? And don't forget to subscribe for more health wisdom every week. Remember, you are loved. You are worthy. You are healing. Until next time, stay savvy, stay strong. Bye-bye.